Hi everyone, this is Tommy Sarr with Classic City Bullies. We got some of the pups out here. I just wanted everybody to get a little update and see what we got going on. Some of these pups are available. If any of you guys are interested, just let me know, and I'll let you know which ones are, and we can go from there. I have one female and one male that are about 3 months old that are available, and then I also have a male and a female that are about 9 weeks old from another litter that are available. Get with me for more information and pricing on these pups. All right, first off, we have a little male. He's off Champion Kodak Black to Foxy Brown. Pup is about 8.5 weeks old. Here's a female off the same litter, about 8.5 weeks old. Here we have another female. This female is available, the blue female. This female is available. She's about 3 months old. Here's another young boy we have. This male is available. He's about 3.5 months old. We call him Canelo. Very nice dog. 2-time grand champion Cash Money. Cash son to a Cash daughter. So yeah, there's some of our puppies. As you can see, they're acting crazy right now. I'm gonna just let the video roll with all our puppies. If you see something you like, let me know, and we'll try to get you a puppy. These puppies are all extremely nice. Very, very, very nice puppies. Thanks you guys for watching. Hope to see you guys soon with another video.